The first thing you should do is check if the items array is empty. If it is, display an alert to the user with the text, "Your shopping cart is already empty." Then return from the function. Remember that 0 is a false value, so you can use the not operator to check if the array is empty. After displaying the alert, return from the function to stop the execution. So we know that we have to make an if condition, and inside the parentheses is where we input our condition. And we also know that we have to access our array to check if it is empty or it is not empty. Let's check. So our array, which is the items, is inside of the shopping cart or any of those instantiated object from the class. So in order to refer to that array is that we use the keyword this, and then the items. Now we are referring to our array, and we have to check if it is empty or not by firstly using the method length. So if we read this condition, we check our items and then we check its length, meaning we are checking those elements, or we are counting the existing elements inside of array. So if we have, let's say, 1, 3, no. So perhaps we have here our items. We accessed our items rather, and then we checked it by counting those elements. So it would output 3 because it has 3 elements inside the items array, which essentially checks if the array is empty. If no, which essentially checks if the array is not empty. So what if we negate that? It would actually check if the array is empty. So that is with the use of the negation, or the not operator. So this would now check if the array is empty because we used the not operator. And if the condition has been met, we have to put something inside of our callback function. And that is to alert the user. Alert your shopping cart is already empty. Curly braces. Now we can return the alert with this way. So it does display the "your shopping cart is already empty" if we do this. But we can also do this. Now the reason why we did return after declaring the alert rather than the use of the previous one is that all I know is that both method executes the same way. All it does, however, in this method is that if we alert and then return the function, it only what it does is that it tells the JavaScript to, or it clarifies the JavaScript that if we're done alerting the user, then we exit this code. That is what this code actually does. So that's it. Nice.